Assalamu alaikum. I am Uzma and you are watching Lively English Language. Viewers, today we have lesson number 10 and this is also the part of parts of speech and the topic is conjunction. As you know, when we speak, we use some words and we make the sentence, and this is the kind of the parts of speech, and it's very simple and easier to understand that when we speak and we make some sentences and we make two sentences, we use some words and we join the sentence with these words. Actually, this is a word, only the word like other parts of speech, and here is written that conjunction joins words, phrases, or sentences together. And example is this is that my mother and father give me presents. Here is the word and actually joining these two parts of the sentence, my mother and father. These are the two parts. Give me presents. Okay, it means this word and is joining these two parts. This is called conjunction. Here are some common conjunctions like and, both, and, but, for, whereas, either, or, neither, nor. Okay, and as you know that and we have done, and we use this and word join some to join some two sentences. Okay, and here is the both we use to say two people or two things. Okay, suppose I'm saying both friends are going on picnic. Okay, this is done. But also we join we use but to join two sentences, like I said that I didn't go to office, but I complete some work of office at home. For example, here are other conjunctions for, whereas, either or neither nor, uh, and these are also join some two sentences or two phrases. What is phrases? Actually, phrases are the group of words. We call them the group of words. And when we talk about the conjunction for there is an example, he studies hard for he wants to be a doctor. Okay, for. And whereas, I enjoy singing whereas she doesn't. And either or and neither nor, there is the different condition. Either we use either, for example, I'm giving you an example. I'm giving you either can or lee must be there. उर्दू में हम या के लिए यूज़ करते हैं जहाँ पर हम दो चीज़ों को के बारे में बात करते हो, तो हम या के लिए हम या ये या वो, तो यहाँ पर ईदर और यूज़ करेंगे. और दूसरा है नीदर नॉर. यहाँ पर हम इसको भी इसी तरह से हम यूज़ करेंगे, लेकिन यहाँ थोड़ा डिफरेंस है. लाइक एन एग्जांपल, नीदर खालिद नॉर Tamu likes durians. Okay, so here is another example I can give you, that neither my sister nor I am interested going on picnic. Okay, I think that is clear right now, and you must have learned easily this topic today, and the next topic is also related to conjunction. Okay, take care, subscribe my channel. Allah Hafiz.